Hello YouTube, this is Pac-Man Plays here. So, this video will contain spoilers to the trailer for Rise of the Skywalker. You could go either watch the original trailer or go watch my reaction to it, because that's good too. So, with that being said, let us begin the topic of this video. So, if you don't know what happened in the trailer, so, without going into many spoilers, scratch over, going into all the spoilers. So if you haven't seen the trailer, go watch that. You're gonna get spoiled right around now. Spoiler alert. So, at the end of the trailer, Rey pulls out a lightsaber, and it's freaking awesome, and then, like, it fades to black, and here's ominous laugh. Now, this ominous laugh, it's like, it's, Palpatine. And I don't actually know how this is physically possible, but, I went back through the trailer and watched it frame by frame, and, there's some stuff that I missed the first time. So, first off, Lando, he's back. Yeah, Lando, he's cool also. Next thing I noticed, in the background, they were looking at a giant wrecked... When I first watched it, I thought it was a spaceship, but upon closer inspection, I discovered that it was actually the Death Star from the 1977 film, A New Hope, or the 1980s film, Return of the Jedi, one of the two. So, in Return of the Jedi, spoiler alert, Darth Vader destroys Palpatine by throwing him off a fucking cliff, and the whole Death Star gets blown up again. But I have theories on what this might actually be. So, in the comments of the trailer video, I literally just basically kind of summed up this theory that I'm going to go over first. So, theory number one, Palpatine is Snoke. So, Palpatine, he's a character from Star Wars, you already knew that. So, here's a brief rundown of everything you need to know. So, in The Phantom Menace, he was like the Chancellor dude. In Attack of the Clones, he was kind of cool, I guess. And her Revenge of the Sith, you discover he was actually a Sith Lord, and he turned Anakin to the dark side, otherwise known as Darth Vader, after Obi-Wan cuts off his legs. So, you know, Obi-Wan murders Anakin, Anakin's now Darth Vader, and then they team up. And then A New Hope comes up, and, yeah, so Darth Vader is running the Death Star with Palpatine. Luke shows up and blows this thing up, and it escapes to this base on Yavin or something, right? Yavin 4, I don't know. Yeah, it's a base orbiting on the other side of Yavin, that's right. So, they decide to go, the Empire decides to go to this base, but they fail apparently. And it's cool, like, so, and yeah. Then Luke and Vader meet up again, and Vader's like, Luke, I am your father. He's like, no, this is impossible. And then he loses his hand and, like, goes off into this giant pit, which is, like, on the planet of Bespin, I guess. And, yeah. So, the crew goes and rescues Luke, and then the next movie they meet up again, and, like, why am I going on a tangent about Luke and Vader? What the hell? Well, anyway, Palpatine, he was there controlling the Death Star at the times, like Empire Strikes Back still. Yeah, and in Return of the Jedi, Luke and Vader battle in the throne room, and there was entertainment for Mr. Empire dude, and, yeah. So, later, whatever. So, Luke and Vader fight, Empire decides to use lightning on Luke Skywalker, and he's like, yo, Vader, please, stick up. And Vader throws Empire off a cliff. The Death Star blows up. Vader dies. Empire, yeah. Well, in Return of the Jedi, when characters die, you see a ghost. Like Yoda, Obi-Wan, Anakin, you see a bunch of ghosts. Though, there were some characters that were not in there, like Qui-Gon Jinn, or Mace Windu, or... yeah, or Darth Maul, or Count Dooku, or, whatever. They could all wield the Force. I'm not really sure about General Grievous, though. Moving on. But either way, that just makes me speculate more. Maybe Palpatine didn't die. Maybe he crash landed on Endor or something with the Death Star. I don't know. So either way, he's back in the Last Jedi trailer thing. And that was a theory that possibly took too long to explain. Here's a summed up version of the last theory. So, Palpatine, when he was falling, he used a lot of lightning. And as you can see in, I think it was Revenge of the Sith, when Mace Windu was fighting Emperor Palpatine, Mace Windu blocked lightning in his face and then he aged faster. So, I'm wondering in Return of the Jedi if Palpatine used lightning on himself to make him age faster. Therefore, he couldn't die because he was like overpowered or something. And then he became Snoke. Well, that's only theory 1. Theory number 2. Rey and the group here finds the Death Star, and inside the Death Star find a little old hologram of the Empire. That's probably going to say something along the lines of Wipeout Order 66 or something. I don't know. I don't know. And, well, that could be something. I mean, seriously, I legit don't know, and I'm really hyped for this movie. So, theory number 3. It's just Luke Skywalker. Mark Hamill trolling us. Like, that would be funny if it was, but I doubt it. So, like, yeah, that's my other theory. I mean, they certainly trolled us before. And then my other theory, which is way off the galaxy here, but it was actually Jar Jar Binks. Yeah, the midichlorians are off a scale today. Moving on. So, it was Jar Jar Binks, and he was a Sith Lord this entire time. Okay, that one was just stupid. That was just me trolling around. So, the first 3 theories were The first 3 theories were good ones, and then the last one was just me trolling, I don't know. So, speaking of Jar Jar, will he ever return? I hope not. But anyway, that was my theories on the Last Jedi trailer, and tomorrow I'm gonna go on to the Discord server and I'm gonna ask you people what you think on this trailer, and we'll go over it together in a video. So, yeah. Pack and Play signing off till next time. Peace.